And finally,
Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to use Omegle without any error, and for the first time I'm going to show you with the proof that my Omegle isn't working. Just you can see server cannot be found. Now just you need to go to the app store and you need to install this Kiwi VPN. Make sure you download the exactly same that I'm searching on the app store. Just tap on connected and accept and continue. You need to download or VPN configuration. Just tap and type your password. Now wait for a few seconds. Now you can see it's connected. Now I'm going back to the website, and this all I'm working on Safari browser. Just tap on Omegle and you can see it's loading. So there's few things you need to do. So once you are connected, just disconnect the you are connected. Now once you are on the Omegle website, just disconnect it and come back. Now just tap on video and let's check that it might work. Just tap allow. These are the things you need to try, and just change the interest to TikTok. Just tap on video and tap allow.
so now you can see there are 5 free server that you can connect without any issue. So I have changed the server to Singapore so that let me check that it's working, and you can see finally it's working. You can see you are now connected to the stranger, and because I'm using iPhone, so that's why the screen isn't small. So you need to just change the request to desktop side. Now just tap allow, just like this, and finally I got my future girlfriend. So that's the thing. You have to follow this, and finally it's 1000% working without any issue. And make sure you subscribe my channel because it's take a lots of effort, and and there are many videos I have uploaded even for Android recently. You may check my YouTube channel, and you will be find I have made Omegle video for the Android user as well, and for the computer or Mac or laptop as well. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe my channel. Peace out.